Problem 4. Jada's grandparents started a savings account for her in 2010. The table shows the amount in the account each year. Okay, it started in 2010 with $600. Easy enough. Okay, next question. If this relationship is graphed with the year on the horizontal axis and the amount in dollars on the vertical axis, what is the vertical intercept? Okay, let me just draw those axes real quick. Right here. Uh-oh, is this pen going to work? Oop, it stops right there for some reason. Well, fine. Okay, so on the vertical axis, what did they say? The year on the horizontal axis. Okay, this is the year on the x-axis. And the amount in dollars on the vertical axis. So y equals dollars, x equals year. What is the vertical intercept? Oh, I can tell this right off the bat. Can you? Well, let's start with 2010 being like, imagine that 2010 is like, it's really a problem that my pen stops right there. 2010 is y0. Next problem. Problem number 4. Jada's grandparents started a savings account for her in 2010. The table shows the amount in the account each year. So in the first year, I'm going to make another little column in this table. In the first year, in 2010, or I'm going to say actually in the 0th year, 2010, when she started, it has been in there for 0 number of years, she has $600. After 2 years, she has $750. After 4 years, she has $900. And after 6 years, she has $1,050. Cool. If this relationship is graphed with the year on the horizontal axis and the amount in dollars on the vertical axis, what is the vertical intercept? Well, let's draw it out. Remember that vertical intercept is going to be your y-intercept. There we go. My first line here is just a little mistake. Let me erase that. So, on this x-intercept, on this x-axis, x is going to equal how many years the savings account has been established, and the y-axis is going to have the dollar amount in the savings account. It looks like it's not earning any interest rate at all. That's too bad. But whatever. So when x equals 0, they had $600 in the account. So the first point goes right here at y equals 600. And then after 2 years, 1, 2, there's $750 in the account, something like that right there. And then after 4 years, there's $900 in the account. So 1, 2, 3, here we go, 4 years, there's like $900 in the account, something like that. Oh, I don't know, maybe here. And after 6 years, you can see this is increasing by 2 every year. Every 2 years, our table increases. Every 2 years, it's $1,050. So 4, 5, 6, I don't know, something like this. Now, I don't actually have grid lines on here to help me. Something like that. And if I draw a line from my starting point to my ending point, if I did this correctly, everything would fall on a straight line. But without a grid to help me, you can see I am a little off. Doesn't matter. You get the point. If this relationship is graphed with the year on the horizontal axis and the amount in dollars on the vertical axis, what is the vertical intercept? Well, we start with the year equal to 0, so this is really 2010 right here. And then what is the vertical intercept? That is here, y equals 600. The vertical intercept is the same as the y-intercept. Don't forget, you need to know vocabulary here. All right, I'll type in the answer. You type in your answer too. The vertical intercept, called the y-intercept by Cindy, is the amount of money in the savings at the start. At the start, before any time has passed. The vertical intercept, called the y-intercept, is the amount of money in the savings at the start. Okay, did you get it? Let's keep going. What does it mean in this context? What does it mean? It means that the account was started with an initial deposit of $600. With an initial deposit of $600. Okay, remember, the y-intercept is kind of your starting point before you've been recording. Okay, good luck on your assignment. I'll be checking for precise answers. Good luck.